get some girls on the table, bring some alcohol and all, having a party. And now if you have game, maybe you will take some of these girls home. If not, then so hey guys, hope you're doing good. I'm doing good too. Welcome to yet another video of Real Pill from Deepak. And in this video we will be talking about status. So we are covering the looks, LMS, LMSG. We already covered the L part, looks part, money part, M part. Now we talk about status. This video is going to be very important and very interesting also, because the things I will talk about status in this video, you're not going to listen anywhere in the world, and I'm telling you the reality now. So we are talking about now, we're talking about the global dating market now, global dating market, you know, because everybody from everywhere in the world can now go travel and date anywhere in the world. For example, some African guy or Indian guy or some Asian guy, Chinese guy, they can go to Europe, they can go to USA, they can go to Canada, they can date there. Some American guy go to Southeast Asia, they can date, pick up girls. Some guy from Europe, from Sweden, for example, can go to Japan, can go to some guy from France can go to. We have in USA, they can go and date. So everything is mixed now. So we are talking about now global dating market value. So normally the word is like, you know, SEXUAL. I don't want to use this word again and again, because then because I don't want to make it YouTube friendly, PG friendly kind of content. So that's why I will use the word dating market, which is more acceptable. I think it's too much exposure, so we use the different lens. Maybe that is better, but now it will be. So now it's better, but I have to walk like this a bit. So what I'm saying is, it's not like some Indian guy and go in USA and he will easily date a white American girl or something like that. That's not what I'm saying. So what I'm saying is, he has chance to do it. To let's go to this place. He has chance to date, something like that. He will get the success, that's a different question. So American guy can travel to Southeast Asia, and he has chance to date a Filipino or Thai girl. Can he do it? That's a different thing. Success, that's a different thing. So that's what I'm saying is, an African immigrant can go and come to, like, in Canada, date a Canadian girl. He has chance to date a Canadian girl. He has option to date, but can he do it? That's a different thing. Option. So can he will get the he will successful? We don't know. So that's what I'm saying in this video. Global dating market value. So let's go there. So we are talking about this global dating market. So why global dating market? Because now anyone can go and meet anywhere in the world due to Instagram, social media, plus ease of travel and everything. You can go anywhere in the world and meet, for example, a guy from USA go to Southeast Asia, meet a girl, a guy from France go to America, meet someone. So now the dating market is more global. so it is not localized. So we have to change the rules, we have to address the new changes. We have to address the new changes now. So right now I'm here in this, you see, really lot of water we have in this river, and we have some boats, you can see. And what else we have here? We have a lot of people who are, you can see here, making fishing. So very interesting place. So we're talking about the status. So now you have to understand one thing very clearly, that this video is very important because a lot of guys do mistakes. What they do is they follow a wrong type of game which is not designed for them, and then they end up getting frustrated. They end up getting frustrated because they are not getting results, and they start to blame, like, you know, the dating tips, dating advices don't work, all this is crap, and all the things. They start to cry, become negative, and then fall into this MGTOW, INCEL communities, black pill communities, you know, which is a dead end, which is not good at all. So in this video will be very important. I will be explaining you a lot of things that is very important for you to understand where you are standing in dating market, and then from there you can plan your, like, you know, your goal and get the result and work according to that. This is really, really important, you know. So when it comes to status, so we have like two type of status. One is natural status, and one is the other status is earned status. So which is a normal status, what we talk. So like the girl is attracted by a guy through his status, so that's like earned status. So what is natural status? So natural status something you are born with or you are grown up. So natural status will include, for example, your race, your skin color, your ethnicity, your accent, which is a very, very big thing. Accent, where you are upbringing also. So in natural status, majority of the things you cannot change, but some things you can still change. You can, you know, it can be changed. For example, your accent can be changed. If you work hard on it, your accent can be changed. I don't care about changing my accent now. I'm a bit lazy, so my accent is like, you know, my natural status is that Indian accent. So what I'm saying is that your natural status include your accent, your race, your ethnicity, all these things. So, and that will influence when you are approaching girls, when you are approaching and talking to girls, interacting with girls. How? So for example, imagine you are Indian immigrant who is coming to Indian or Asian Chinese immigrant who is coming to USA and working as a doctor. You are working as a doctor there in USA. Now there's another guy from France, white, you know, French guy with French accent, French English accent, going to USA working as a doctor. They have the same age. Now they are both working, and now they go out in the night or on the street, like picking up girls. Hello. So now what will happen? What will happen then? Like, for example, a guy who is French, because the French accent is seen as higher than Indian accent, the girl will react to a guy with French accent, English with French accent, much positively than a guy with Indian accent. Because Indian accent is seen as lower than lower in West compared to a French accent. So their natural status is different here, you see. So the point of this video is not making you like sad or something like that. The point of making this video is to understand the reality. What is the reality actually, so that you can work according to that. It can also happen like the Indian immigrant, he's a doctor. Now the French guy, he's working as a nurse even. So even if when they go out, and it may happen that because the nature status of the French guy is so high that even he being nurse will get him the girl compared to the Indian guy if they have equal amount of game, we say. Now the problem arises when this Indian guy, Indian immigrant, the doctor, or we can say like, on the same level, some IT consultant, go to a dating coach who is like, who's a good looking, like, good looking white guy dating coach, something like that, positive stereotype, and start to learn game from him. Now what will happen, it may also happen that the dating coach has some proof, some results of his success, but the skills, because his natural status is higher, he don't have to work very hard on the skills to get results. And when this Indian doctor start to try to learn game from that guy, from that white dating coach, this good positive stereotype dating coach, then what will happen? He is not able to get the results because the difference in the natural status is there, and he will not able to develop the skills. That's the main problem. So that is really important for you to know. So so the thing is, this is some new place actually. I've never been to this place, so very interesting. Let's see what's going on here in this place. So what I want to say, here is this, that your natural status, which is including your ethnicity, your accent, your race, that play a role when you're approaching girls. So in natural status, these things are included. Your race, your ethnicity, your accent. So now, for example, people may say like, I'm dividing people in race and accent and all the stuff. Human are human. This is not, it should not be like that. I'm just like, lying about it. So if you think that I'm lying, if I'm not telling you the truth, then you tell me one thing. Oh, this place is not bad actually, you see. So if you think that I'm lying, I'm not telling you the truth, then you tell me one thing, that if a guy from India travel to Thailand, go to Thailand, to have some fun, or maybe guy from China go to Thailand or somewhere to have some fun, and a guy from Sweden or from Germany or from USA, some white guy going to Thailand for have some fun, a white guy, then in which case we can change this angle. So in which case he will I come later. So in which case he will who will get the best results in Thailand or in Southeast Asia or in Japan even. So I think it's too much overexposed. This is better. So in that you know the answer already. In there the guy with the who is American, or like white guy who is from America, from Sweden, from Germany, who are going to Thailand or like Japan, they are going to get much positive results compared to an Indian guy going there, you know, because there that European guy, Western guy, natural status is highly perceived, positively perceived compared to an Indian or Asian guy. That's the reality. This is, I don't know what is this place. I thought there will be a lot of things going on, but not look like. There's some bus stand. So it will be perceived much better compared to like Indian guy or Asian guy or Chinese guy in Thailand. So I'm telling you, I'm just like I'm doing BS? No, this is the reality. This is the reality, and that's how it is. So natural status do play a role. Let's go to the other side. How I go to the other side? So natural status do play a role, and if it is not playing the role, then for game, every race, it will be the same. It will be the same, like, you know, difficulty for all races, the game. But this is not how it is. So this is like, you know, natural status. This is, you cannot ignore. And based on your natural status, you have to understand one thing. The point of making this video is not to make you feel bad about who you are, how you look. The point of making this video is to make you realize where you are standing in dating market value, what is the reality, where you can realistically like judge where you are standing in the dating market, and then according to that you can work much better on your skills. Because majority of the guys who don't get success in game, they overestimate their dating market. You should never overestimate nor underestimate your dating market. So they overestimate their dating market and they ignore the importance of game. And when they ignore the importance of game, then what will happen? They will just do the same thing, and like some weak game they play because they think that that game will work for them, for that type of person, and then what will happen? They are not going to get results, and after that, you know, they will. That's too much of noise. And then after that, what will happen? They will just give up and frustrated and become negative and make some videos, you know, join this black pill or MGTOW community, INCL communities, and cursing everyone. But in reality, they are not putting hard work. In reality, they are not putting hard work. They are just they are not putting first hard work, and also when they are putting hard work, they are putting hard work in a wrong direction. So you know where you stand, and according to that, you have to work on your game. So we are here in this some underground place. So yeah, so that's what I want to say in this video. So this is the natural status. Now we talk about the earned status, which is quite like easy actually to understand. Earned status is, or something, the status is something what you have, you know, what you earned with the time, with your skills, money earning skills. For example, a guy who is working as a team leader. This is some kind of mosque. Let's go above. So a guy who is working as a like team leader in a company, having some team of 10, 20 guys and girls, then he is seen as a high status guy in his team. That's like an earned status. A guy who is owner of a restaurant, for example, then he has having a like a high status. He's a high status. A guy is the owner of a club, high status. If you have a money and you perceive, you show it the money in such a way that you are a high status guy, then people will see you as a high status guy. Like buying, where you go in the club, buying a table, spend some money, get some girls on the table, bring some alcohol and all, having a party. And now if you have game, maybe you will take some of these girls home. If not, then this girl will just drink and just leave you, something like that. So here they are. So you need, like, you know, game. So like earned status is simple. Like you develop with the time, with the money, with the job. For example, a lawyer have a high status, doctor, they have a high status jobs. Doctor in Germany is seen as a very high status job. Lawyer, doctor, these jobs compared to a, like, you know, building cleaner and all. So that's the thing. So these are the, like, you know, earned status. Some guys, like, my clients who came to me, they were having like big company, earning millions. They are having a high status, but just high status is not bringing them results, because the game in 2021 and beyond is way different, is much tougher. Sorry, the pickup in 2020, 2021 is way more different and tougher compared to the older days. So with status, you definitely need game. Game is not replaceable. That's the reality. You cannot replace the game. If you think that just focus on the status and you get the girl, it's not going to happen. In some cases maybe, but you have to understand one thing also. Building a status, very high status, is way tougher than mastering the game. You know, just because, for example, just because you start to earn money and you are in IT job, you are a doctor job, you are earning like 300,000, you know, euro or US dollar. It doesn't mean that you are building a high status. You earn a lot of money, the money part is solved, you earn a lot of money, but you're still not able to build the high status. You have to know how to build the high status, you know. So, which is a bit different thing. But if you know the game, then it is much more easier for you to get success in your dating life compared to building that very high status, like, you know, person. So that's what I'm saying is the status play a big role, and but like you need to be that very high status guy. Like if you are a very high status guy, you're confident, then of course, like, you know, game will be very easy. Maybe in some cases you don't really need that much of tight game, that's for sure, I will not deny. But like they are like very rare people that are able to achieve that kind of high status. And there are some jobs, like, you know, that can bring you that high status. But there are some jobs that bring you a lot of money, but they will not bring you high status. For example, you are owner of a restaurant, you know, and you are meeting a lot of girls see you are the owner and all. And the worker, if you have like female employee, they will see you high status, then there you will definitely get, like, you know, girls there. You are owner of a bar or club, that is a high status. Like, you know, you can build a high status. You know, you make your Instagram in such a way that you show a great lifestyle. that can also be used as high status pre-selection. But if you are working as an IT job, doctor, lawyer, and just earning money, it is not making that much difference. Like, you know, like, oh, I'm a lawyer, that's a high status job. Oh, you're a lawyer, yeah, of course, but the girls don't see it as a high status, even if you have a lot of money. If you have game at that time, you know, some personality and game, plus you say that you're a lawyer, that can work. So what I'm saying is, like, you should not ignore game, address the status thing. This is the video I'm making, like the status part. So natural status will define the type of game, the level of game you need, and work as much as you can on your status to build your status. And there will be some guys who will be earning a lot of money, but that money or that job will not contribute them in building their status that much. In that case, the game is there, so that's why the game is there. So you can have the game and you can still get results. So that's what I want to say in this video. Hope you understand the concept of status, natural status, earned status. All these things I made in 2013 at that time in my German channel. So now I'm much more like mature, much more ideas I can formulate much better. So these videos I'm making like while walking on the streets here in Turkey, and I will also make these videos in future with proper graph and like the way I used to make in the past, like, you know, with my computer programming style of videos, you know, with graphs and all the stuff, with the completely detailed explained logically all the stuff, but in a like quiet room. But still you will get the idea about the status if you yeah, I know there is a bit like distraction, like when I'm talking all the time, but at least you're also enjoying the background, like, you know, all the places I'm going, walking on these streets in Turkey, you can also see. So, oh, that's an interesting place. Let's see, what is it? So I'm going some very narrow street. So yeah, this is what I want to say in this video. And if you like my content, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. हाँ, बढ़िया बढ़िया. हाँ 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 साहब, हाँ बढ़िया. अरे पहचान कैसे लिया आपने? अच्छा जी. आता हूँ. So guys, you can see clearly, like just one guy recognized me from India. People say, like, you know, I don't look like this, I don't look like that, but people recognize me as Indian. So I look like Indian, I am Indian, I look like Indian, and that's how it is. That's how it is. And also, I'm not ashamed of being Indian. One thing is, you have to understand, like, from wherever your country you are, you should not be ashamed of that. I'm not ashamed of my accent. I'm not ashamed of my natural status. I'm not ashamed of my natural status. But I understand that I do need to work hard to get the same level of results and girls, and I have done it and getting the same level of even better, much higher level of results when it comes to dating Western girls. Yeah, that's the reality. So work hard, you will definitely get success. So hit the bell button and and also Dating Master will be coming. So stay tuned, stay subscribed to our VIP email list. That's an interesting street. And we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Also guys, don't forget to watch the playlist Rock Solid Infield on this channel, where I'm doing live flirt, picking up girls in front of camera, showing top level pickup and attraction skills. Also don't forget to watch Student Transformation and Testimonials, where I'm teaching my students, showing full documentaries, student success and their testimonials also.